Good day everyone, my name is Regine Leversis. I am the third reporter and I will be continuing the topic of the intellectual revolution. And since Dea Bacolod already discussed the third revolution, the Copernican, Darwinian, and Freudian, so now I will be tackling about the development of science in Mesoamerica and Asia and Middle East and in Africa. First, the development of science in Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica includes the entire area of Central America from southern Mexico up to the border of South Africa. And we will be learning about the development of science in this three civilization: the Mayan civilization, the Inca civilization, and the Aztec civilization. The Mayan civilization. The Mayan civilization is one of the famous civilizations that lasted for approximately 2,000 years. These people are known for their works in astronomy. They incorporated their advanced understanding of astronomy into their temples and other religious structures. This allows them to use their temple for astronomical observation. Mayan knowledge and understanding about celestial bodies was advanced for their time, as evidenced by how to move this camera. Sorry guys, I can't find this. By their knowledge and of predicting eclipse and using astrological cycles in planting and harvesting. Maya observatories, remarkable architectural feats, serve as a vital hubs for studying the heavens. Structures like El Caracol and Chichen Itza and the Observatory of Oxmal illustrate the sophistication of Maya engineering and their dedication to understanding celestial patterns. These observatories of the Mayans not only facilitated the tracking of astronomical events but also played a crucial role in the cultural and religious life of the Maya, informing agricultural cycles and ritualistic practices. Uh, Informing agricultural cycles and ritualistic practices. During sa kaning Mayan civilizations, ang ilahan yung mga contributions are ang observation nila sa kanang astronomical and mathematics. So, ang question is, di ba ang Mayan civilization is known for their contributions about say sa astronomy. And then the question, nganoon daw, why man sila naka-discover ani about sa astronomy. So kaning ang Mayan civilizations kay they utilize various temples. Na sila daghang mga temples and structures para sila hadayng kanang silang astronomical observations. And then why og nganong ilahan nga discovered sa Panday, ang Maya, they discovered and developed these astronomical systems for daghang mga reasons. Para sa sa agriculture, like they observed the sun, moon, and stars para ma-determine nila kanang the right seasons para sa planting and harvesting crops. Like like maize. Then, nag-discover sila sa kanang calendars and their daily life. So, they created nag-discover sila para like maka-create sila calendars for their daily life. Like, they created an advanced calendars based on the solar and lunar cycles to organize their society, economy, and rituals. Then, other reasons as kay silang religion and rituals. Because Maya believed that heavenly bodies had spiritual power, so priests studied the skies to know when to perform ceremonies and sacrifices. So like, ilang gidiscover ang kanang unsay nang mga unsay na sa outer space ilang gidiscover para man-know nila unsay kanang and how or kanang karon sila ma-perform og how to perform their ceremonies and sacrifices kay ang priest man they study the sky because Maya believe heavenly bodies have spiritual power. Then they also developed this because of their politics and the authority. Because rulers use astronomical knowledge to show their connections with the gods, strengthening their power and legitimacy. And the worldview for the Maya ang Maya magyud kay the cosmos and human life magyud kay were interconnected. So understanding the heavens give meaning to their existence. That's why one ang reasons why ang Mayan kay nakadiscover aning astronomical system kay tungod sa ilang agriculture para manaw nila ang seasons o kano sa sila magplant or magharvest. Then calendar para sa ilang daily life, gihimo ang calendar based on kanang sa solar o lunar cycles. Then sa ilang religion and rituals, politics and authority, and worldview. And then, the Maya civilizations utilized various temples and structures for astronomical observation, reflecting their advanced understanding of the celestial phenomena. So, mani ang mga kanang temples gipanggamit sa mga Mayan. I don't know how to read this, sorry guys. The Xochicalco Observatory. It is an underground chamber with a hole on the ceiling that allowed sunlight to shine through, illuminating an illustration of the sun on the floor on specific days of the year. And then the Temple of Kukulkan at Chichen Itza, aligned with the sun's position during the spring and autumn equinoxes, creating the illusion of a serpent slithering down the steppe. Next. The Temple of Inscriptions and Palik ata. Then it designed to align with the winter solstice, allowing the first rays of the rising sun to shine directly on the temples of inner chamber. And then the El Caracol at Chichen Itza, constructed with a precise alignments to the movements of celestial bodies, serving as both a tool and a monumental expression of the Maya's reverence for the cosmos. These structures not only serve practical purposes but also held deep symbolic and religious significance for the Mayans, reinforcing their connections to the divine and the understanding of cosmos. So, mo din ang temple sa Mayan class. So, ang temple sa Mayan. Diri nila kimambuhati lang observations about sa astronomy. And napaday kanang ang Mayan kay daghan sila tools and methods kung giunsa nila paggamit ang astronomical observations. Nag-include ang kanang observatory kaning ilahang temple ila po ning gi-use para kanang kasi kanang ilang gi-use sa katong El Caracol at Chichen Itza mani ilang temple ila ning gi-use kay kina-align ba siya sa celestial bodies kanang class. When we say celestial bodies, class kanang mga planets, sun, moon, and stars man sa mga celestial bodies, kanang mga object nga nasa outer space. Then they also use the astronomical tables nga ilang na-create to kanang para silang discover sa astronomical. Kay ang astronomical tables kay detailed records siya of the celestial movements and events. And then they also use the calendars, the multiple calendar system like the Zulkin and Haab. Ang kanang Zulkin guys kay kana siya 260 days na siya nga according sa ako na research ang kanang Zulkin kay 260 days na siya nga there's 20 names, 20 cycle names plus 13 chuchuon sa to din giad mara ako siya nibaan guys. Then the Haab is 365 days na siya. Then gigamit ang kanang calendar to track time and sa astronomical cycles. Then they also kanang ilang ways and other tools and methods or other ways sa nila sa pag-discover silang astronomy discovery nila blah blah kay shadow tracking. So nag-use din sila shadow tracking, like kanang they use the shadow tracking para ma-measure nila ang time ug ma-track nila ang solar movement. So kaning mga tools kay na-allowed ni siya sa mga these tools allow the Maya to make accurate observations and predictions about the celestial events. Next, the Mayan also developed the technology for growing different crops, pension bridge, and building elaborate cities using ordinary machineries and tools. They built hydraulic system with sophisticated waterways to supply water to different communities. They also believed to be one of the first people to produce rubber bands 300 years before Goodyear received its patent in 1844. Ang kaya siyang hydraulics, kaya hydraulics sa akong naibaan sa akong pag-search kay where siya think nga mag-involve og liquid kaya siya hydraulics ka and use ani niya kay maglift sa kanang mga bugat. Maglift sa mga bugat. So kanang hydraulics man nila ang gigamit sa kanang pag-build og building, like mag-build og building because kanang maglift man siya bugat and then gi-use pa na siyang hydraulics sa kanang ilang pagka ng tanom-tanom kanang sila pagtanom kay hydraulics nag-involve man siya liquid, like maka-help sa siya kanang murag bagkuan sa tubig para sila ang mga pananom. Yeah, pananom kanang katong sa tong word ha, katong irrigation system, like ma-include po ang irrigation system. Di ba naman ay canals, dams, and kanang mga reservoirs para ma-manage ang water supplies mo na ilang use para sa ilang motion farming. Pero kanang sa ilang mga pangtanom ba? Para ka na mabuhi lang pang tanom. Then crop rotation, nor. Then terracing. Kanang nag-create sila flat plots on the hillsides para reduce ang erosion. And then raised fields. Constructing raised beds and wetlands for better drainage. So kaning mga technologies nila kay kanang nag-cultivate siya sa crops like sa maize, kanang corn, sa corn, kaning mga technologies kay na-use ni sa ilang mga pananom nila kasagaran dito kay kanang mga corn, beans, squash, cacao supporting the population. Inca civilization. The Incans made advanced scientific ideas considering their limitations. As an old civilizations, the following were scientific ideas and tools that they developed, monumentals nga developed in their everyday life. Muna siya ang Inca road system, katang road paved system, kaning Delhanan na lang Inca road as you can see sa picture ng mga bato-bato. And money lang agian ang use aning Inca road during silang time kay it allows the Incan it allows them to kanang travel through na ba para ma-transfer na lang use nila pag-travel para sa kanang pag-transfer sa mga information kanang goods then soldier persons without kanang using wheels like maglakaw ra maglakaw ra sila dira walay ligid gigamit the use of wheels then mo na ilang use kanang para transport ba na siya nga word para basta para kanang ma-transfer lang information ilang goods and service like lang mga foods something mga inana. Then the Inca building. They use the natural bedrock as their structural foundations para ma-help lang ilang building nga mas stable. As you can see, bato-bato siya no. So during sa mga bagyo something, bagyo, linog, unsa pa na sila dira, dili na siya maguba or di na siya sila mansa. And then kaning ikatulod din ka irrigation. Diba naman sa nang irrigation mga students? Mura siya kanang agianan sa tubig, flow sa tubig like as you can see in the picture. Then mo na lang Enka calendar. This is their Enka calendar. The next, the Enka suspension bridge. Ang kanisang bridge po dahil kay ilapod ning used for traveling. Malamang dili gid siya mag-agi sa mga sakyanan ha sa ilaran ng mga tiil. They use this Enka suspension bridge sa traveling. Same ra sa katong unsa tong sa katong bato kato. Kalimot ko, sorry guys. Yes, for traveling na siya. Marag kawanti ka nang travel ka dito para ma-exchange mga information. Travel ka dito para kanang mag-give nimo ang ilahang foods or something mga inana. Manang the use of ilang nagpara mo nang nag-create sila Enka suspension bridge. Din kani, I don't know unsa ni siya pag-grade gid siya. Kipo. Ang kani siya day students, kani siya mga native strings. Use sa mga Enka Empire, mga native strings na siya. Ang use na niya kay for kanang record keeping para mag-store sila sa numerical data nila, mga inana. Then use na sila sa accounting side kanang mga tracking taxes, tributes, and goods. Then they also kanang nagkonpada na sila sa communication. So native string, that's the use of keypos para silang communication and census. Kanang communication para convey sa message ang kon sila ray nakasabot og giun sana nila. Sila ray po yung nakahibagon sa pag sa translate like pag interpret sa message di ay nabasa to nako kanina. Then muna ilang mo na gamit ang keypos sa record keeping, accounting, and communication. Then ang karang keypo dots, as you can see sa picture kay they use different knots, colors, and strings para mag-convey ang information. Ang ilang, well, the exact meanings dahil are still studied. Ang exact meaning nga naka-still studied. Ang kipo kay kipos demonstrates then just resourcefulness and record keeping. Mara siya ang the use of kipo. And then, ang kaning last is the I think that's the last pa or di last siya. The Enka textiles can node nation further exceptional quality, craftsmanship, and cultural significance. Like ang use ni kay ang use or ang kuan sige na Enka textile kay kanang para siya scaled weaving ng mga na siya mga intricate patterns and designs. Then ang materials di ani nga na use niya is wool from llamas. Diba mo sa nang llamas kanang type of animal na siya. Then alpacas and viconias. Then symbolism ang kanang textile kaya nag-convey ni siya social status, identity, and cultural relatives. Yeah. And they use a textiles kaya nag-convey na siya social status, identity, and cultural narratives. Ang techniques ano niya kay katong siya mga touch-sprays, embroidery, and other techniques. Yeah. Ang kanina Enka textile. Sorry guys for the libog nga pag-explain. Sorry kayo. Ang kanina po dahil Enka textile kay used for clothing, terminal purposes, and trade. Used for clothing na sa mga during Enka civilization. Then, the last civilization, the Aztec civilization. The Aztec civilization has also made substantial contributions to science and technology and to the society as a whole. Some of their contributions are the following. The mandatory education. The Aztec put value on education. That is why their children are mandated to get education regardless of their social class, gender, or age. It is an early form of universal or exclusive education. Is the explanation na kaya na dira class masabta na siya. During sa Aztec civilizations, one of the contributions kay it is very mandatory sa education sa ilang mga students, silang mga childrens. And then chocolates. The Aztec in Mexico developed chocolates during their time. In Mayan culture, they use it as currency. The Aztec valued cacao beans highly and made it as part of their tribute to their goods. Ang kanilang chocolates kay pwede rin siya cacao beans, pwede pa rin siya may chocolate drink, kanang giyas pa din nila ang chocolates or ginainom or gina-use during sa rituals and ceremonies. They also use these chocolates sa kanang mga tradings for a trade. Next. Antispasmodic medication. They use a type of antispasmodic medication that could prevent muscle spasms and relax muscles, which could help during surgery. Marisha, passion flower. Diba kaning medication kay gina-use for during sa surgery. Ang kani siya ang effect sa kaning antispasmodic medication kay maka-relax and smoothen your muscles of internal organs and primarily in digestive and urinary system to relieve pain, cramps, and excessive urges. Manang effects or ang use ba na tawag? Nalubat na akong laptop. Let's make it fast. Chinampas is one of the Aztec technology for agricultural farming in which the land was divided into rectangular areas surrounded by canals. Ang karing chinampas kay kano siya a unique agricultural system used by the Aztecs in Mesoamerica, built in lakes and canals as we can see, and then they also created a farming para na silang farming and ang also use rin chinampas kay sa mga crops nila para may they use this to grow their maize or sa kanang mais, beans, squash, and other crops. Chinampas showcase the Aztecs' ingenuity in agriculture and engineering, allowing them to thrive in challenging environments. Then the Aztec calendar. This enabled them to plan their activities, rituals, and planning season. Yeah. It is kan ginayasad nila sa kanang daraon na explain na siya. Ang ganing Aztec, they use this calendar para mag-plan sila activities, rituals, and planting season if kanos aba nila i-plant or i-harvest ang ilang mga crops. Then the invention of canoe, a light narrow boat used for traveling in water systems. So it's very na siya. Sabotable nga ang kaning canoe sa para ni siya sa dagat. As you can see sa picture kay kaan siya. Kahoy. Made from kahoy na siya. And then they use this para mo transportation na siya. Yan ilan yung use for kanang same sa other reasons nga mo transport sa foods and traveling. Indian contributions. They are known for manufacturing iron and metallurgical works. Their iron is considered to be the best and held with regard in the whole of